Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch Przevalski's Parrotbill in Heartopia. So guys, this is one of the birds in Heartopia, and let me show you my bird watching diary. Okay, I've just catched this Przevalski's Parrotbill, and if you want to catch this bird to be added to your collection, you can go to the fishing village first, and you're going to go to the fishing village square. Let me show you on the map. The fishing village square is here, so I'll just go there. I'm already at the fishing village, but near Beale and PC. And you can go to this area, guys, and if you're lucky, you will get you will meet the Przevalski's parrotbill bird right here. Just explore this area and prepare your bird scanner, and you can also join the event. What is the event? This one, Nest of Hundreds event. You can join this event to increase your chance to meet the Przevalski's parrotbill bird. Okay guys, and that's how you can meet or you can find the Przevalski's parrotbill bird in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.